Hello, Pike families. I'm Dr. Curtis Wright, Director of Facilities and Security for Pike Township Schools. As we prepare to return to in-person instruction on Monday, February 1st, 2021, we want to remind you of Pike's COVID-19 guidelines to maintain a safe school environment. Face coverings are required in all buildings and at all grade levels and must be worn covering the mouth and nose. Bus riders are required to wear face coverings while on the bus. Wash or sanitize your hands when entering and exiting the building, classrooms, and gymnasiums. Also sanitize before and after meals, after using the restroom, and anytime you use a tissue. Students will maintain social distancing in classrooms, hallways, cafeterias, and during recess. Students will have access and use individual desk shields while in the classroom. Make sure you screen your student each morning. If a student has a fever of 100.4, sore throat, cough, diarrhea, vomiting, abdominal pain, severe headache, or loss of taste or smell, please do not send them to school. If your student tests positive for COVID-19, do not have her or him come to school. They will need to quarantine at home for 10 days. Report your student's absence to their school each day of the quarantine. After 10 days, they may return to school if they do not exhibit symptoms. As a reminder, students who test positive for COVID-19 must remain home for 10 days. If your student has close contact with a person who has tested positive, they must stay home for 10 days from the last exposure date. While waiting for test results, students need to stay home until a healthcare provider confirms a negative test result. If a student presents symptoms consistent with COVID-19, they will be sent home and presumed to have COVID unless a healthcare provider determines otherwise and provides a note. If you have any questions, please contact your child's school or the Pike Township Hotline.